Square lets you create and send payment links, also called Square Online Checkout links or invoices, so customers can pay you online via card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Afterpay, Cash App, or ACH bank transfer. Step-by-step guide. Log into Square. Go to squareup.com, sign into your Square dashboard, or open the Square Point of Sale app and tap online. Create a payment link, quickest way. In the dashboard, click Online Checkout, left menu. Create a link or new checkout link. Enter a title, for example, Wedding Photography Deposit. Add description, optional, shows on payment page. Set the amount, fixed or custom, let customer enter. Optionally add items. Click Add Item, select from catalog or create one-time product, name, price, quantity. Customize. Add note, collect customer info, name, email, phone, enable tipping or set expiration date. Click Create, copy the generated link. Alternative, send as invoice dashboard. Invoices, create invoice. Add customer or new, items and amount, due date, memo. Click Send. Square emails the invoice with a payment link inside, or copy the share link from the invoice details. Share the link. Paste into email, text, WhatsApp, Instagram, DM, or your website. Use QR code. Square auto-generates one. Download and share. Embed on site via online checkout. Embed option. Customer experience and tracking. Customer clicks link, enters payment info, pays instantly. You get real-time notification and funds, usually next business day. Track status in payments, invoices, or online checkout section.